Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of email marketing automation and exploring what it takes to become an email marketing automation specialist. This is one of the most lucrative and rewarding roles in digital marketing, combining strategy, creativity, and technical expertise to help businesses grow their revenue through automated email campaigns. By the end of this, you'll understand how specialists earn recurring income, build effective email funnels, and scale automation services for clients. Let's get started. Email marketers have unique opportunities to earn recurring income by offering setup services, managing ongoing campaigns, and providing strategic consulting. Many businesses, especially small and medium-sized ones, lack the expertise or time to handle email marketing effectively. Specialists step in to design email funnels, write sequences, and optimize campaigns, often charging monthly retainers for their services. Additionally, some email marketers create passive income streams by selling templates, courses, or guides for businesses looking to DIY their email strategies. The recurring nature of email marketing, whether through regular campaigns or automated sequences, makes it a steady and scalable source of income for professionals in this field. Understanding email funnels is the foundation of effective email marketing. An email funnel is a strategic sequence of messages designed to guide subscribers from awareness to action, whether that's making a purchase, booking a call, or signing up for a webinar. Funnels often start with a lead magnet, something valuable offered in exchange for an email address, and continue with a series of automated emails that nurture leads, build trust, and encourage conversions. Specialists focus on mapping out these funnels, ensuring every email serves a purpose and moves subscribers closer to the desired outcome. By mastering the art of email funnels, marketers can help businesses turn cold leads into loyal customers. Creating lead magnets that convert is an essential skill for email marketers. A lead magnet is often the first touchpoint in the funnel, and its success depends on how well it resonates with the target audience. Whether it's a free ebook, checklist, webinar, or discount code, the key is to offer something valuable and relevant to the audience's needs. Specialists work closely with clients to identify pain points and craft lead magnets that address those challenges while enticing users to subscribe. A well-designed lead magnet sets the tone for the entire funnel and can significantly impact the success of an email campaign. Writing automated email sequences is where creativity meets strategy. These sequences are pre-written emails triggered by specific actions, such as signing up for a lead magnet, abandoning a cart, or completing a purchase. Specialists focus on crafting engaging, persuasive, and personalized emails that nurture leads at every stage of the funnel. Each email has a clear purpose, whether it's educating, entertaining, or selling, and is designed to build trust and drive action. By using automation tools, marketers ensure these sequences run seamlessly, saving time while delivering consistent results for clients. Email tools and platforms are indispensable for automation specialists. Popular platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and Klaviyo offer robust features for designing campaigns, creating sequences, and tracking performance. These tools allow marketers to segment audiences, personalize content, and automate workflows with ease. Additionally, platforms like Zapier can integrate email tools with other marketing systems, streamlining processes and enhancing functionality. CRM basics are another critical area for email marketers to understand. A customer relationship management (CRM) system is where businesses store and manage customer data, track interactions, and segment audiences. Email marketers use CRM platforms to organize subscriber lists, monitor engagement, and personalize campaigns based on user behavior. Tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoho CRM are popular choices for businesses looking to integrate email marketing with broader customer management strategies. Specialists who understand CRM basics can offer added value to clients by ensuring their email campaigns align with overall business goals. Segmentation and personalization are the secret weapons of successful email campaigns. Segmentation involves dividing an email list into smaller groups based on specific criteria, such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. Personalization takes this a step further by tailoring email content to individual subscribers, using their name, preferences, or behavior to create a more relevant experience. Specialists use segmentation and personalization to increase open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, ensuring every email feels like it was written specifically for the recipient. When done right, these techniques can transform generic campaigns into powerful tools for building relationships and driving sales. Measuring email performance is crucial for optimizing campaigns and demonstrating results to clients. Metrics like open rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, and unsubscribe rate provide valuable insights into how subscribers are interacting with emails. Specialists analyze these metrics to identify strengths and weaknesses, making data-driven decisions to improve future campaigns. For example, a low open rate might indicate issues with subject lines, while a high unsubscribe rate could signal that content isn't resonating. By consistently tracking performance, marketers can refine their strategies and deliver better outcomes for clients. Avoiding common automation mistakes is essential for maintaining trust and effectiveness. Some of the most frequent errors include overloading subscribers with too many emails, failing to segment lists properly, or using generic content that doesn't resonate. Specialists focus on creating balanced, well-timed campaigns that add value to the subscriber experience. They also ensure technical issues, such as broken links or incorrect triggers, are resolved before launching campaigns. By avoiding these pitfalls, email marketers can maintain high engagement rates and build lasting relationships with their audience. Selling email setup services, building monthly retainers, and scaling automation for clients are key ways specialists grow their businesses. Many clients need help setting up their email systems, from designing templates to creating workflows and sequences. Specialists often charge a one-time fee for setup services, followed by monthly retainers for ongoing management and optimization. As they gain experience, marketers can scale their services by taking on more clients, hiring team members, or offering premium packages that include advanced strategies like segmentation, AI/B testing, and multi-channel integration. This scalability makes email marketing automation a lucrative field for those willing to invest time and effort into mastering the craft. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified what it takes to become an email marketing automation specialist and how you can leverage these skills to grow your career or business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay ahead in the digital marketing game.